How to enable the color correction display colors settings. This is for the Galaxy A15 smartphone. Let's do it. To find these settings, use the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon right here, and you'll be taken into the main settings of your A15 smartphone. You can use the search option here, which will allow you to search something in specific, and you want to type in the words color correction. Once you do this here, you'll get the suggestion. It is under the accessibility settings area here, and you can tap on that to go to there from here. Then you'll see color correction from here, right there. Tap on that one time, and then you can turn it on from here. Now, if you do decide to do this here, you'll notice how there is a sudden change of colors, and that's because of what the color correction does. You can use these images here to get an idea of what's the changes here. And you also see this right here. Notice how these are changing. Also, things on your home screen and everything else will be changed in a specific color. You also have the gray, black, and white colors if you're interested in that there. And also you also have a shortcut to enable where you can access this at any given time. And of course you can use the volume up and side keys for those of us who are using the navigation gestures to access this feature at any given time. So let's just say I'm here, I can tap on this icon here, that'll disable it and enable it. And yes, you can come back into these settings, disable the shortcut, and also turn off the color correction, like and sub.